Alright, hey everybody, it's Gary here. Today we're going to do a quick run through on the AI images star in the AI wellness universe. We're going to create some amazing images. Here you can see one that we used in the past. And first of all, we want to set our project. If you're working on multiple projects, comes in pretty handy so you can keep everything organized. You can enter your project name here. We're going to use default as this is just a demonstration. So image idea. If you're lacking creativity like me and you're drawing a blank when you're trying to think of something, you can use AI right here, create image ideas, and it'll actually create image ideas for you, which is pretty amazing. I find it pretty helpful. Describe what business you are trying to promote. We have a lot of coaches in the wellness universe, so we'll do something around coaching. How about weight loss coaching? Keep it simple, minimal prompting, and we'll let the AI generate ideas for us. So instant creativity at your fingertips. Please wait. This may take up to 10 seconds. 10 seconds is pretty, boom, there it is. It's already here. I don't even think that was 10 seconds. So as you see, we got 20 different ideas here. Look at that. That's amazing, right? So let's check a couple out. A supportive weight loss coaching service for improved health, a person successfully completing a 5K running, crossing the finish line with joy. Ooh, sounds pretty good. An expert weight loss coaching service focusing on client success, a motivational journal next to a pair of running shoes and a water bottle. Okay, sunrise yoga session at a park with individuals stretching happily. Let's check that out. That sounds interesting. Here you can pick the emotions you want displayed in this picture. As you can see in the picture over here, this one's really excited. Intrigue, desire. I mean, there's so much here. You can go positive feelings, gives you a long list of positive feelings, which is great. Vitality, health, exhilaration. You got neutral, mixed emotions. You can go with melancholy, nostalgia, surprise, thoughtfulness. I mean, look at, there's so much to work with here. Negative emotions, depending on what you're working with, you might want something with the negative emotions. We're going to stick with inspiration since we're going with weight loss, so we'll stick with that. You got this button here for photorealism. If you want it to be hyper realistic, like this picture here, you want to click this button. We'll do that. Isolation, you could use black, white, or color isolation. What isolation is it'll give you some room at the top or at the bottom of your image where it's blank background, either black, white, or color. That way you can insert text and not disrupt the actual image. For this demo, we're going to go with the full image like this one where there is no isolation space, so we'll keep that at none. And then you can pick your aspect ratio depending on what you're using this image for. If you're posting on social media and most people use their phones, you'd want to go with 9:16 or portrait, or you can go landscape. Works out well for LinkedIn and other social media apps. Or you can go square, 1:1. It's usually pretty safe. You can usually use that for everything. Let's go with 16:9. Say we're going to post this on like LinkedIn or something. See, this little gear here is for advanced options. If you want to get into a little more detail, you can work on some of this stuff here. You can get your target audience in there, which is pretty helpful. Image type, I mean, look at the different images you can create. You can create a drawing, a painting, digital artwork, illustration, cartoon. We'll stick with photograph for this one. Image style, modern, realistic, futuristic, vintage, abstract. I mean, there's so much to work with here. So you can play around with this and spend some time here trying different things and find out what works for you. You can even customize your color. You can pick a couple different colors, or you can let it use all the colors. We'll just leave it as is for this demo. And that's it. We can create the image. Okay. having some, there we go. I think my internet's a little spotty today. I'm in California and we're in the midst of a huge wind event and fire event. We have wildfires all around us, so it's kind of been affecting the internet, and we've been having power outages. So, hey, that was pretty fast. Look at that. Boom. There you go. So, I mean, I don't even think that was a minute. And normally they're pretty quick, so that's a pretty fast turnaround. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to create amazing images with minimal prompting. Of course, you can always go in here and add or take away from the image ideas that the AI created for you. And the more context you provide, you can kind of pick the time of day. Like this looks like it's early morning, sunrise, so you can change that, and you can see how there's clouds. You could say you want a bright blue sky. I mean, there's so much you can do here, so it's pretty amazing. I hope this helps for you. Take care, and I'll see you next time.